Hello and welcome. In this video, let's understand why is a wiring harness required in the first place. Let's start from a simple example for basic understanding. So as you all know, the vehicle electronics is powered by the 12-volt battery located inside the bumper of the vehicle. So from the 12-volt battery, the power is supplied to the headlights, rear lights, as well as the infotainment system for its applications. So the wiring harness has the job to transfer the power from battery to the required components like wipers and electronic seats, air conditioning, etc. Due to advancement in vehicle electronics and electric vehicles, the wiring harness job is not only related to carrying power from battery to the headlights and other components, but also to carry high voltage electricity as well as electronic data which is generated from peripherals like the tire pressure monitoring system, the infotainment, the automatic wipers, automatic seats, um, air conditioning, as well as some other components. All this data has to be processed by the vehicle control unit, and the actions are taken accordingly. So wiring harness is a very critical part for the overall working of the vehicle. uh, Not only the vehicle, but wiring harness is also used in other uh, electronic components and appliances like as we all can see a vehicle. So this is a sample of a vehicle harness which is taken from the front area. uh, Here you can see the wiring harness is used in a aeroplane jet engine. So the applications are here also. Mostly the orange color wires are for high voltage in automotive terms, but in aerospace engineering they might have a different meaning. Also, in small appliances like washing machines and TV, fridge, refrigerators, etc., there is also wiring harness. The application is mostly same. So the inputs is taken through the HMI, human machine interface, and the motor speed and everything is powered accordingly. So for this application, the wiring harness is also required. Along with this, we can see there is a huge market for medical equipments and control panels, wiring harnesses. So, becoming the trend nowadays is that the areas of applications for wiring harness is also increasing, and also the complexity of the electronic devices is on the rise.